Today I am reviewing the LG 27US500-W UltraFine monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a content creator, a photographer, or someone who simply spends all day staring at text and imagery, you know that a standard high-definition monitor just does not cut it anymore. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the LG 27-inch UltraFine 4K UHD monitor, model number 27US500-W. This display is explicitly built for professionals and media enthusiasts who want stunning color precision and pixel-dense clarity without crossing into the $1,000 territory. Let's break down exactly what makes this clean, white-style display worth a spot on your desk. First, let's talk about that resolution. We are looking at a full 3840 by 2140 4K panel packed into a 27-inch frame. At this size, the pixel density is incredibly sharp. Text looks perfectly smooth, almost like a printed page, and digital images reveal fine details that you would completely miss on a lower resolution screen. LG paired this massive 4K resolution with an IPS panel. For creative work, an IPS display is essentially non-negotiable. It gives you massive, wide viewing angles, meaning the colors and contrast do not shift or distort if you lean over or look at the panel from the side. Coupled with a true 1000:1 static contrast ratio, it delivers deeper, richer blacks and wonderfully vivid highlights. If you handle highly detailed digital imagery, this panel ensures that what you see on your screen is exactly what you get. Color accuracy is another area where this ultra-fine monitor stands out. It supports HDR10 and covers up to 90% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. That wide spectrum means it can reproduce brilliant, lifelike colors that standard monitors simply cannot reach. Whether you are grading video footage, editing high-resolution RAW photos, or just streaming HDR content from your favorite platform, the depth of color brings a noticeable level of realism to the screen. Beyond the raw panel performance, LG included some smart software integrations to maximize your daily workflow. The standout here is the Onscreen Control app. Instead of fumbling around with clunky physical buttons hidden underneath the frame, you can adjust your monitor settings, like brightness, contrast, and picture modes, with just a few simple mouse clicks. More importantly, this app lets you customize your workspace by easily splitting the display into multiple windows. You can snap a video timeline to one side, keep your assets on the other, and have a browser open all at once, transforming a single 27-inch screen into a highly efficient multitasking hub. LG also paid attention to long-term comfort. If you sit in front of a screen for hours at a time, you will appreciate the built-in reader mode and flicker-safe technologies. Reader mode reduces harsh blue light to simulate a paper-like reading environment, which is perfect for heavy coding or writing sessions. The flicker-safe technology prevents invisible backlight stutter, which drastically reduces eye strain and mental fatigue over long days. Design-wise, it features a beautiful, clean white chassis with a borderless design on three sides. It gives your entire desk setup a premium, modern aesthetic. The included ergonomic stand lets you flexibly adjust the tilt of the screen to find your optimal viewing position, though it does lack height adjustment. Fortunately, it is standard VSA mount compatible if you want to put it on an arm later. Inside the box, LG includes everything you need to get running instantly: the stand body, the stand base, mounting screws, the power adapter, an HDMI cable, and your documentation. With dual HDMI ports and a DisplayPort connection, hooking up a laptop, desktop, or console is entirely seamless. If you need pro-level color and razor-sharp 4K resolution on a budget, this LG monitor is an absolute winner.